then the opposition strategy? If the NDA is getting all the numbers, what is the opposition doing to block it? Rahul Gandhi has been holding meetings, we are told, has been in a huddle. He'll also hold a meeting ahead of the tabling of the bill in the parliament in just a short while. Now, the Congress is claiming that the Waqf bill is anti-constitutional. Trinamool Congress is accusing the Bharatiya Janata Party of having bulldozed the bill already in the parliament. AIMIM chief, who's also been part of the protests on the street, Asaduddin Owaisi, says the bill violates Muslims' freedom of religion. So the India bloc unanimously deciding that they will oppose and vote against the bill in the parliament. Could one of the alliance partners shift, or will they stand together to ensure that the numbers, even though fewer than that of the NDA, but will step up pressure on the NDA alliance?
सरकार ये कह रही है कि विपक्ष जो है बरगलार आ रहा है।
देखो, सभी चीजें हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सेक्रेटरी है, आपको ब्रीफ करेंगे।
It is fundamentally against the constitutional provisions. We cannot support the provisions against the constitution. All the parties who attended the meeting, all the parties of India Alliance attended the meeting, and some more like-minded party will also be there tomorrow. We will strongly oppose the provisions which are anti-constitutional on this.
पूरा इंडिया गठबंधन हम सब एक है। कल हम डिबेट चाहते हैं और पूरी ताकत से हम डिबेट करेंगे और हम सब इंडिया अलायंस पूरी ताकत से कल पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे।
We will be expressing our opinions as one, and we'll come together and oppose this bill as parties who believe in the secularism of this country, and we believe in protecting the minorities and the majority of this country, and we will stand together to protect the constitution of this country.
भाजपा के लोग चाहते हैं नागपुर का कानून को थोपना, वो हर किस हम लोगों को बर्दाश्त है। हम लोग गंगा ज़मीनी तहज़ीब को मानने वाले लोग हैं। जो डाइवर्सिटी है हमारे मुल्क की, देश की, वही खूबसूरती है। शुरू से ही हम लोगों ने पार्लियामेंट दोनों सदनों में, चाहे राज्यसभा हो या लोकसभा हो, इसका हम लोगों ने विरोध किया था। चाहे बिहार में विधानसभा हो, विधान परिषद हो, उसका विरोध किया था इस बिल का, और आने वाले समय में भी हम लोग विरोध करेंगे।
मैं अपनी पार्टी की तरफ से बोल सकता हूं कि हम तो बराबर डिबेट में हिस्सा लेंगे, अमेंडमेंट्स भी मूव करेंगे, और हम उसमें पूरा अपनी बात को रखेंगे दलील के साथ, और बताएंगे कि कैसा ये बिल अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है, कैसा ये मुसलमानों के फ्रीडम ऑफ रिलीजन की मुखालिफत करता है, कैसा ये मुसलमानों के चैरिटेबल रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिसेस से उनको महरूम करता है, ये हम कल बताएंगे।
My colleague Amit Bhardwaj is joining me this morning for the latest on that. Amit, good morning. Tell me what the opposition is up to. They may not have the numbers that clearly are more in favor for the NDA, and yet they seem united. What is their plan? How will they build up pressure on the NDA?
Pooja, it's more about optics for the opposition and also getting across their message in the Lok Sabha, and that is the strategy of the India bloc today. At 9:30, you will have Rahul Gandhi speaking to the Congress MPs in the Parliament complex today, and that is why the Lok Sabha MPs of the Congress are heading to the Parliament quite early in the day. Besides that, if you look at the India bloc strategy, all the parties of the opposition parties are, together on this particular issue. They are going to oppose the Waqf Amendment bill, because earlier in the past we had seen as to how Trinamool Congress or the Samajwadi Party take a different route. But as far as the Waqf Board Amendment Bill is concerned, all the opposition parties will be sticking together. But on the other side, the NDA also seems to be, rock solid. There is no crack. However, the TDP is also seeking a last movement change in the bill. That is, as far as the representation of the non-Muslim members are concerned, that should be left to the state government. But India bloc has already strategized their way as to how they are going to discuss this bill in the Parliament, in the Lok Sabha, and each party has been given a different responsibility, and we'll have to see as to on which issues they are going to attack the government or seek further amendments in the bill. Back to you.
All right, interesting. So we'll be looking forward to how Rahul Gandhi in the Lok Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge in the Rajya Sabha will be updating and have a strategy with their alliance partners. Amit, thank you very much for now.